Okay, you are welcome to this edition of my tutorials. Okay, so today I'm going to show you how to format your smartphone to the restore factory settings. Okay, I will show you simple steps so that you can start your phone to the restore factory settings. Okay, so let's get started. Alright, so you keep in mind that once this insertion are based on Samsung and Google Pixel smartphones, you can simply search for reset or erase in your setting app on your smartphone in order to begin the process. You should also make sure that you have online or offline backups of your data. Okay, so you make sure you have online and offline backups of your data on your smartphone before resetting your smartphone, in case you change your mind, so that you can restore the old data back on the phone. Okay, so let's start. Let's look at how to reset your smartphone. So first we'll start with Google Pixel. So those using the Google Pixel, this is how we'll start. Okay, so point number one, open the setting app and tap on system. Please follow this very well. Open the system settings and then tap on system. Point number two, you select reset options. Okay, now select erase all data. Okay, so you make sure you select delete or erase all data. That's the factory reset at the bottom of the list. Make sure you read the information related to the data that will be erased. So in case you are okay with that, you then tap erase all data. Okay, now draw your pattern or enter your PIN or passcode to authenticate the process. Okay, so now you review warning show on the screen, and then tap erase all data option. Okay, so you make sure you tap delete or erase all data option to start wiping your phone. I hope this step is very simple. Okay, so you just go to your system, you select reset options, you now look for erase all data, then you make sure you read the information, and when you are certified, you just draw your pattern or you enter your PIN code or your passcode or your PIN to authenticate the process. Okay, then after that, they will show a warning message on the screen. Then you just wipe or you just tap on the erase all data, and then you're good to go. So for those using Google Pixel, this very simple to reset your phone to its original state. Okay, all right, so what about those who are using smartphone? This is your steps. So what you have to do is, so I'm now talking about how to reset or how to factory restore your smartphone, your Samsung smartphone. How to factory reset your Samsung smartphone. Okay, so follow the steps as I will describe them below. So open the setting app as we did earlier on. Okay, then you select accounts and backup, then you move to manage accounts. You then locate your Samsung account in the list and tap the entry, then select remove account. Go back to the main setting menu, then tap general management. Scroll down and tap on reset. Tap on factory data reset. As we did earlier, you make sure you read the information related to the data that will be erased. Then you tap on the reset button. Draw your pattern or enter your PIN or passcode to authenticate the process. Then tap delete all in order to start in order to start wiping your smartphone. Okay, so when you do this, all your data will be deleted, and don't forget to backup before doing this. Okay, I think this is very simple and very easy for you. Thank you for watching this video. In case you like more of this video, you can leave a comment, or in case you didn't understand it well, just leave your comment below and I'll make sure I'll answer your question. Thank you for watching.